And if you want to, let's say the customer decides to remove the CUA and delete the CUA, then how you go about deleting that. So to delete the CUA, the transaction code is, so there's no transaction code. You'll have to execute a program provided by SAP. So go to either transaction SE38 or SA38 and execute the program rsdelcua. rsdelcua and hit execute and remove the child test checkbox and click on complete CUA and hit execute. Now if you want to remove the CUA from a specific child client, now why do you would have to say, when you remove the CUA, okay, after you remove the CUA, from that point on you can start creating user IDs locally in the child systems also. Okay. Now if you want to remove the CUA from a specific child client, then you select the child system radio button and specify the logical system name or the RFC destination of that child system. If you want to completely remove CUA from all the child systems, then you select complete CUA and hit execute. Okay, so it will delete entries from all these tables and it will tell you what entries it got deleted. Okay, after you are done with this, you can go to SCUA. Now this we have done it in the central client, okay, this program. So go in the central client itself, go to SCUA and verify that the CUA is no longer there. Now go to BD64 and in the central client, and let's try to delete the model view that we created for CUA. So the model view that we created was CUM. So let's go and try to delete it. It got deleted. And save it. Now let's go and verify in the child clients the create icon appears in SE01 for the child client. Now if you go to BD64 and let's check it out if the model view is there. It's still there. Delete it. Okay, and save it. So the CUA is completely deleted now. So run the program rsdelcua in the central client, delete the CUA, go to BD64, delete the distribution model from the central client, then come to the child client, go to BD64 in the child client, and if the model view is still there, delete it from there also, and then your CUA gets completely deleted.